Okay, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how you can very quickly and easily spend time being creative. So with this particular image, I've done a quick sketch using a charcoal pencil, and initially what I did was lay down some background colour onto this recycled mini journal, and then I marked out a face, the shape of a face, the way that I wanted it to look, basically. So I'm not thinking about any features, I'm just thinking about how the shape of the face and adding colour. So one of the things I really love to add is gesso, and I use gesso all the time in all my work. And so I'm now, as I've laid down the background colours and I've done an outline, I'm now just going to add some gesso just so that there's some tooth to the page. So this is, as I say, something that you can do very quickly. You can draw some really quick images, some faces. I love doing faces. I've also laid down some collage, and then you can use your favorite art supply. Again, it's just a quick thing, and add, the image and get something creative done. So I've made this book out of recycled. It was a Graze Box. It's a Graze Box mini journal. But as I say, you can use anything. And whenever I have got too much on my brush, as I always do, I rub it on another page. So I'm just encouraging you to take some time out to be creative, spend time in your journal, and do something that helps nurture you. So even a little activity like this is very nurturing, and it's encouraging as well. So here I'm just adding colour, and I'm not even worried about adding any features or thinking about how it's going to look. This is just about spending time being creative. So I'll probably fast forward through the rest of the video just so that you can see how far I get. It's a very quick video. Initially I spent between 8 and 10 minutes, and I haven't finished this particular image. What I'm going to do is come back to it at a later time, but then it's moved on further in the process, and depending on how long I have another time, then I can add that. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing with you some other very quick hints and tips in your art journal, in your creative space, that you can spend time doing even when you feel you don't have enough time. You've got 10 minutes, you've got 5 minutes to do something creative. So I look forward to seeing you again soon. So take care. Remember to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be reminded of any other projects that I end up doing. Okay, take care for now. Like the hair, like it is.
Yeah.